Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by bringing the essential inputs into one sheet so Excel can work for you. Enter task, start, duration, and choose a time unit. This matters because calculations follow that unit. Once done, build a row of contiguous dates using a simple formula or fill handle. This becomes your timeline. Make sure columns have consistent formats, dates as date, durations as number, because incorrect formats break formulas. Now you have a clear grid ready for formulas and conditional formatting. Next, you translate dates and durations into a visible schedule by inserting a logical formula into the grid that tests whether each date falls within a task span. For example, test start and start plus duration against the timeline cell, so true marks active days. Then copy that formula across the timeline using absolute references where needed. This preserves columns and rows correctly. Afterward, apply conditional formatting to convert true/false into colored bars. This creates an immediate visual Gantt-style chart. To finish, add progress indicators, labels, and polish formatting so others can read it quickly. Insert %complete or use a stacked bar to show progress. Format as % so values make sense. Freeze the header row, hide helper columns, and protect the sheet if distributing. If something looks off, first check date formats and that you used absolute references in formulas. Misaligned bars almost always trace back to those two issues. Finally, save a copy as PDF or share the workbook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.